Hi, and welcome to the final video in our course.
As we said in the first video, this course was designed to help you improve your English language skills and your understanding of the job application process. We hope you have learned a lot from the experience and now feel better prepared and more confident finding and applying for jobs you are interested in.
For many of you, your job search will not simply end as soon as this course does. As we mentioned before, many of us change jobs and careers throughout our working lives. On each occasion, we may have to go through the different steps we have discussed in this course. We hope you will learn and grow from each experience.
Please remember the importance of preparing an up-to-date, professional-looking resume and cover letter. Making a good first impression with an employer is vital. In addition, prepare for the job interview by researching the company and being ready to answer typical interview questions.
We really enjoyed working with you, and we wish you all the best in your future studies and careers. Good luck!